Fast Eddie again. So today we're replacing a door closer, and they're repeat offenders. They have customers that like to rip the doors off the hinges. So we're replacing the door closer, and we're putting on what's called a crash chain. That's right, a crash chain. We mount a chain that has a spring on both ends. So we put a chain on the door frame and the door, so it has a spring in there that absorbs the shock of the door swinging too far, and it doesn't add a lot of undue stress to the door closer. So let's install it. So I'm mounting the inside plate 10 inches from the hinges. I'm opening the door to a 90-degree angle, stretching the chain out, and now I'm going to mount that last plate. This particular chain was only 25 inches long, and that's all the wholesaler had in stock. Otherwise, I would have got the 35-inch, and I would have mounted on the door frame on the other side of the door closer. So there we have it. They were opening the door too far, which was causing undue stress on this door closer. This should increase the lifetime of the door closer. So the chain itself costs $50. That's how much we sell it for. I install it for $35. Of course, that doesn't include my $85 trip charge, but that's how much they go for. So I'd like to thank you today for joining me. This is Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express. You guys have a good week. Bye-bye.